Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing Chrome and your assets. Update Chrome so extensions and APIs work. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, choose whether you'll use a web store extension or a local video/image file. Each method needs different permissions. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled in settings for better frame rates and close heavy tabs so the wallpaper won't stutter. Now, open the Chrome Web Store or your extensions page and get ready to install the Wallpaper tool. You install the Wallpaper extension and accept only necessary permissions. This prevents unwanted access. Next, add your file or pick a preset inside the extension, set loop, resolution, and whether the wallpaper pauses on battery saver. Then configure performance settings, lower FPS or quality if CPU usage spikes, or increase for sharper visuals. Make sure the extension's start behavior is set to launch on Chrome Open, and test a few wallpapers so you can balance aesthetics versus resource use. You finish by confirming the wallpaper auto-starts and behaves as expected. Pin the extension for quick access. If the animation stutters, first lower output to 720p or reduce FPS, then disable competing extensions that use GPU. If wallpapers fail to load, revoke and regrant permissions, or reinstall the extension, this often fixes corrupted settings. As a last resort, review Chrome flags related to hardware acceleration, but be cautious. Changing flags can affect stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.